Hello, everybody. My name is Nico Schnabel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about an article that was posted to the Los Angeles Times by Susanne Rust on December 17th, 2021, titled Unprecedented Die-Offs, Melting Ice, Climate Change is Wreaking Havoc in the Arctic and Beyond. The first topic brought up in this article is that the Arctic sea ice is melting at an alarming rate. And throughout the article, they expressed the fact that increasing anthropogenic CO2 concentrations has shown that the summer sea ice extent is far more susceptible to anthropogenic climate change, while the winters are far more susceptible to ocean-atmosphere circulation variability. In order to reinforce this statement, they cited an article that was published in Science Advances titled High Sensitivity of Bering Sea Winter Sea Ice to Winter Insolation and Carbon Dioxide over the last 5,500 years. Most importantly reinforced in the article is that they found that the winter sea ice extent in 2018 and 2019 was found to be 60 to 70% lower than the previous mean, which suggests that the Bering Sea winter sea ice is diminishing far more rapidly than the models had previously predicted. The next topic that was discussed is a little in between two. And it is that unprecedented die-offs and ecosystem collapse were currently happening in the Arctic. In the article, they discussed a species of bird called the short-tailed shearwaters, or the Ardina tenuirostris as their scientific name. They discussed how there's three possible mechanisms that currently may be affecting them. The first being competition from pollock and Pacific cod. The next being warmer waters that has been caused by anthropogenic climate change. And the next is harmful algal blooms. They got this information from an article published to the Arctic Program, which is titled The Recent Warming in the Bering Sea and Its Impact on the Ecosystem. In it, everything was supported, previously stated by the article. But the article did not mention one thing, in that the current mechanism for why they are dying off is unknown. In order to further drive home their point that unprecedented die-offs are actually occurring in the Arctic, they chose to cite a source called the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. From it, they got data on unusual mortality events. And from it, you are able to see species and their cause of unusual mortality events, like the manatee, the ice seal, the gray whale, which have all undetermined causes, or the minke whale, Atlantic right whale, and humpback whale, which all have suspect human interaction, whether it be entanglement, infection diseases, stuff like that. So, in this regard, the literature that they have used as data for their claims is supported. So, in conclusion, there are 4 facts that were listed in the article that were proven by literature. Starting with that, the Arctic ice sheets are melting faster than anticipated per models or previous predictions, as well as anthropogenic climate change is affecting seasonal changes, which is further affecting the Arctic ice sheet size, as well as unprecedented die-offs are currently occurring, which is also leading to ecosystem and trophic changes in the Arctic itself. The one thing that was brought up in the article that was not specifically stressed in any one of their cited articles is that current ecosystem collapse is occurring. So overall, the article was informative, truthful, and actually entertaining. But I would say, slightly exaggerative in the fact that there is no specific scientific data supporting the fact that they're saying that ecosystem collapse or trophic cascade is currently happening. But overall, it was informative and mostly truthful.